Hey everyone, Alex Quinn here at Mercedes-Benz Edmonton West. Today I'm going to show you some how-to videos on how to use your active parking assistance. Now, two vehicles that we're going to use in this demonstration, one can be our E53 wagon. It's got our current software, the NTG. And then we're also going to use the latest MBUX on our A250 hatchback. Now, depending on your model, you're going to want to look for this little logo here with the P and the camera. That's your active parking assistance program and cameras. Now you'll know that it's trying to recognize a spot because it'll show up as a blue P on your screen. Now if I'm going to click this, we're going to take a look at my screen, and right now I have it on my parking assistance. So I'm going to drive forward to search for parking spaces. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to drive into my drive. I can see the P showed up here, the blue, and I'm going to try and find it. So it's going to search. Now, for this to happen, I need to usually drive about at the edge of the line here, kind of where the vehicles are parked. And you usually have to drive up just a little bit more, right? Stop the vehicle, confirm to park. I'm going to click on my screen here. Please engage the reverse. So I'm going to flick on my right. It's going to turn on my signal already. Now it's going to take over the steering wheel. I'm not going to do anything with the steering wheel. Right, I'm just going to gently use the brakes and the accelerator to my comfort. Right. Now some parking assistance programs, it will actually change the gear for you. Otherwise it might just ask you to put it into drive or reverse. And it's going to do a perfect parking position. Watch how it takes over the lines here. It wants to make sure it has equal distance and it's completely straight. Puts into park. Parking assistance is finished. It's freaking amazing. I have excellent wiggle room between the lines here. Excellent room between the lines on both sides. So it's incredible. Now if I want to exit, I can select the direction I want. So I'm going to go right. Same thing, I'm not going to touch the steering wheel. I'm just going to touch parking, the braking, and the gas. Now it might take a couple times to get used to it, everyone. So if you have any questions, please feel free to come on down to Mercedes-Benz Edmonton West, and we'd be happy to show you how it works. Just like this, nice. Nice and sharp, nice and precise, just like that. Amazing. Now we're in the new A250 using the MBUX infotainment system. Now take a look here, just like in my E-Class, right? You want to find the P with the camera. I click it. I'm gonna drive forward here, and we're actually gonna parallel park this, so you can see how it's more vertical now. I can tell, I can look. And now I'm just going to click. Select reverse. And the same thing. You want to work with it. It's going to take over the steering. It's going to help you park like an absolute boss. But you need to work with it. So it's going to be very precise. That was our blind spot. Here we go. Nice and straight. It's going to straighten the wheels for us. Make sure it's perfect. Just like that. Amazing. It's very simple, it's very easy to use, but I know the first couple times it can be a little hard to use. So if you have any questions, please refer to the video. You can also visit us in our service department and we'd be happy to help you there. My name is Alex Quinn, and thank you for watching.